Welcome back to another video. My name is Ricky. This my channel is Rickysfoods. So for today's video, we got a whole chicken that we're gonna be hanging in my drum smoker. But first, we're gonna cut the spine, and we're gonna cut it in half. We're gonna put two different rubs into the chickens, and then, like I said, we're gonna hang it in my drum smoker. The flavor that you get from the fat dripping into the hot coals is just unbelievable. It's like another boost of flavor. That's one of the main reasons why I wanted to get a drum smoker. So I can hang chickens, tri-tips, anything. You can do whatever you want on a drum smoker. So one of my favorite things to do is just chicken. I mean, the chicken comes out really good. So like I said, we're gonna be using my drum smoker. We got one chicken, whole chicken. We're gonna cut it in half and then hang it in the drum smoker. And it's gonna be another quick, really simple, delicious recipe. So with that being said, guys, let's just get into it. So here we got the chicken halves. Like I said, there was a whole chicken. We cut the spine, and then after that we just cut the breast in the middle, and then you got two chicken halves right here. So for this, we're gonna use dog fat as a binder, so we make sure that we get crispy skin, and also for a rub to stick in. And for one of the halves, we got this John Henry, and this is the chicken tickler. This is a real good for chicken. I love this in chicken. So I'll be using that for one of the chickens. And for the other ones, I'm gonna use this huckleberry, and this is a hog and hand rub. I love this on chicken as well. This has a little bit of spice to it, and it gives it a great color too. So let's go ahead and prepare this chicken. So for this one, I'm gonna use the chicken tickler. And then for our second chicken, we got the huckleberry, the hog and hand rub. Alright guys, and to monitor the temp of the chicken, I'll be using this the meter block, and there's some wireless probes that I'm gonna put on the chicken breast, and then so once it hits 160 internal temperature on the breast, I'm gonna take these out and let them rest, and then by the time they're resting for about 15 minutes, the carryover is gonna take it to the 165. So let's go ahead and put the probes. Alright guys, so here's the wireless probe, and like I said, I'm gonna put this on the chicken breast. Let's go put it right there. All right, I'm just gonna put the other one on the other one. And for this cook, I'll be cooking the chicken at 300, and for the last 15-20 minutes, I'm gonna raise the temperature in the drum smoker for about 350. That way we can develop a better color and also get the skin crispy. And that's about it, guys. So now I'm just gonna put the hooks. That way we can hang it on the drum smoker. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, and that's how it's gonna hang on the drum smoker. So let me go ahead and do the other one, and we're gonna put this on the drum smoker. So let's go. Alright guys, so there's a second chicken over here. So I'm gonna put this one over here. Just like that. And then I'm gonna come out here in about half an hour, 40 minutes to check how they're looking. So I'll see you guys back then. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour and 15-30 minutes, and I just got the alert on my phone that the chicken is done. Let's go ahead and see how we did on the chicken. So I'm gonna take this one out. I already took the other one out, so let's see how this one looks. And look at that, guys. It's nice and crispy from this side. And look at that, guys. It looks real good. It's juicy. It's flowing the juices down there. Let me put this on the board over here. All right, guys. So this is a little chicken over here. The huckleberry. You see, it has a nice color over here. They both smell good. All right, guys. So now I'm just gonna put this inside, let them rest for 5-10 minutes before we cut them, and I'll see you guys back in a bit. All right, guys. It's been about 15 minutes. I couldn't wait any longer. I'm super hungry, so let's go ahead and cut the chicken up. So if you come over here, so one benefit about spatchcocking your chicken and then cooking it halfway, it's easier to carve. So if you come over here, I'm gonna take the leg over here. And I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's super crispy. And look at that, guys. Look how juicy that is. Look at that, guys. Super crispy too. Let me cut this leg over here. So this one over here, that's the huckleberry, the hog and hand rub. Gives it a nice color. It's kind of spicy too, not too much. And this is the chicken tickler by John Henry. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's nice and crispy as well. And look at that, guys. We got a little bit of char right here. That's delicious right there. I like it when it gets charred like that. All right, and let me take a piece of the breast over here so I can taste it. The wing is just gonna fall off like that. Look at that, guys. This is the best part right here. I love me some wings. Let me cut a little piece of the breast. Still hot, guys. Look at the juices falling out. Breast is juicy, so that means everything's gonna be juicy as well. Let me take a piece and let's do this taste test. Look at that, guys. Super good. All right, guys. Let's see how we did. Cheers. All right, guys. It's super good. Has a really nice smoke flavor from the pecan the chunk of pecan that I put on there. Also, the fat dripping on the coals gives it an extra flavor. I don't know how to explain it, but it's super good. Came out delicious. Took about an hour and 15 minutes. The drum smoker was running around 300, 330, the highest it got. That was good enough for me. You get yourself a really nice chicken, and family's gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna put the chicken inside and eat it with the family. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below. And like always, I'll see you in the next video. Ricky out.